Think you know Excel? Let's find out. In this beginner Excel quiz, you will face 15 questions that every Excel user should know. Pause if you need more time. Keep track of your score and see if you can get a perfect 15 out of 15. Ready? Let's begin. Question number 1. What does Excel primarily use rows and columns for? Creating videos, storing and organizing data, editing photos, browsing the internet. The correct answer is B. Excel is designed to store, organize, and analyze data using rows and columns. Every piece of information is placed inside a cell, making it easy to sort, filter, and calculate data. Question number 2. Which symbol must every Excel formula start with? Hashtag, $, equal, percent. The correct answer is C. Every formula in Excel begins with an equal sign. For example, equals 10 plus 5. Excel recognizes this as a calculation and returns the result. Question number 3. Which formula adds the values in cells A1 through A5? Equal, total, from A1 to A5, equal, add, from A1 to A5, equal, sum, from A1 to A5, equal, plus, from A1 to A5. The correct answer is C. Sum is one of the most commonly used Excel functions. It quickly adds all values within a selected range. Example, equals sum A1 to A5. Question number 4. What is the name of a single box in Excel? Block, table, cell, field. The correct answer is C. Each box where data is entered is called a cell. A cell is identified by its column letter and row number, such as B4 or C10. Question number 5. What is the address of the cell located in column C and row 7? 7C, C7, row 7, column C, C-7. The correct answer is B. Excel references cells by column first and row second. So column C and row 7 becomes C7. Question number 6. Which function calculates the average of a range? Mean, AVG, average, mid. The correct answer is C. The average function calculates the arithmetic mean of selected values. Example, equals average from A1 to A10. Question number 7. Which keyboard shortcut saves an Excel workbook? Control plus P, Control plus S, Control plus C, Control plus Z. The correct answer is B. Control plus S is one of the most important shortcuts in Excel and many other applications. Use it frequently to avoid losing work. Question number 8. Which function finds the largest value in a range? High, max, top, largest. The correct answer is B. Max returns the highest value in a selected range. For example, equals max from A1 to A20. Question number 9. What happens when you double-click the fill handle on a cell? Deletes the cell, copies formatting only, automatically fills data down the column, creates a chart. The correct answer is C. The fill handle is the small square in the bottom right corner of a selected cell. Double-clicking it quickly fills formulas or data down adjacent rows. Question number 10. Which function counts cells containing numbers? Count, count A, number, tally. The correct answer is A. Count only counts cells containing numeric values. Count A, on the other hand, counts non-empty cells. Question number 11. What does Ctrl plus Z do? Save file, undo last action, redo last action, close workbook. The correct answer is B. Ctrl plus Z reverses your most recent action. It can save a lot of time when mistakes happen. Question number 12. Which feature allows you to display only specific data in a table? Filter, zoom, freeze panes, format painter. The correct answer is A. Filters help you focus on specific information by hiding rows that don't match selected criteria. This is especially useful when working with large datasets. Question number 13. What does the AutoSum button do? Creates a chart, sorts data, automatically inserts a sum formula, deletes duplicates. The correct answer is C. AutoSum is a quick way to add values without typing the formula manually. Excel automatically suggests the range to calculate. Question number 14. Which function returns the smallest value in a range? Low, small, min, bottom. The correct answer is C. The min function finds the lowest numeric value in a range. For example, equals min from A1 to A20. Question number 15. Which Excel file extension is commonly used for modern workbooks? .docs, .pptx, .xlsx, .text. The correct answer is C. .xlsx is the standard Excel workbook format used in modern versions of Microsoft Excel. Time to calculate your score. 13 to 15, correct? Excellent. You have a solid beginner understanding of Excel. 10 to 12, you are on the right track and just need a little more practice. Below 10, no worries. Every Excel expert started exactly where you are now. Comment your score below, and if you enjoy this quiz, subscribe because the next episode will be even more challenging with an intermediate Excel quiz. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.